What is up, guys? So we're going to be talking about the Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I've had it for about a month, so I want to do my follow-up video on it. Do I still love it? Are there any other phones at this price point that I think beats it? The answer is no, and the Bold-in-1 comes very close. It's just not as powerful as this phone is, but I prefer the Bold-in-1 because of the full display. You guys know some people don't care about that. I completely understand. This phone is better in almost every regard. It's just an awesome phone for, you know, the $200 price point that you're getting it for. So I want to break down 5 reasons why you should buy this phone. The first reason is gaming. So gaming on this phone is impressive. Even a month later, I'm still blown away that I can play every game on high on this Helio G90T processor, along with 6 gigs of RAM. To me, it's just very impressive for, you know, 200 bucks. That is a awesome deal. The screen is plenty big. It's 1080p. It's actually a 6.53-inch display. So it's plenty big for gaming, and it's just awesome. The battery life is 4,500 milliamps, so you're getting pretty good battery life, and this phone also does not get hot while gaming. Number 2 would be the cameras. So the cameras were extremely important to me for this phone, because it was the first time I saw on a $200 phone that just had some amazing, you know, blow you away cameras. I mean, the detail of these cameras are awesome. You have a quad camera setup. It's 64 megapixel wide and 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel dedicated macro camera for extremely close-up shots, and you also have a 2 megapixel depth sensor. It does shoot in 2160p 30 fps, and I just love taking pictures on this. It's very crystal clear. It's just really amazing, so you really have to see it for yourself. For 200 bucks, you know, it's up there, I think, with the iPhone and the iPhone 11, actually, the Galaxy phone, my S10e. It just does an excellent job. You have a 20 megapixel selfie camera that is also respectable, and it's just an awesome camera. Number 3 would be the design. So if I put this phone next to a, you know, $800, $1,000 phone, you wouldn't be able to tell that this was a $200 phone. So it's just a beautiful design. It does have a nice weight to it, which gives it that premium feel in the hand. It's a little bit heavy, but you get used to it, you know, after a day or two, no problem. It's got this glass back, which also looks very nice. This specific color is going to cost you a little bit more, I think, but I think you can get it for around like $230 on eBay, $240. So that's very awesome. I think it's the pearl color, and you can see it color shifts kind of pink. And it's just beautiful. It doesn't attract fingerprints. This specific one, you got the quad camera setup on the back, gives it a very modern look. And then on the front, you do have the little water drop notch right here, which I think is the best implementation of the notch. Slim bezel. So this is overall just a beautiful device. Alright, so number 4 is MIUI 11 and just the speed of this phone. So the speed has been extremely fast. This is a fast phone. It has not lagged. I got a lot of questions about that, and I haven't had any, you know, issues with lagging on this phone. No matter what you're doing, gaming, like I said, you know, just launching applications. Be sure, be sure to follow me on Instagram if you guys just want to talk. DM me something, because I don't get all the comments. I'll put my Instagram is always down below, because I got a lot of you guys come in and just want to chat, and I'll respond pretty quickly if you do that, so be sure to follow me on there. But like I said, MIUI 11 is great. You have pretty much all the things that you would want. You have the built-in screen recorder. You do have you know, NFC on here. You have your screen cast. You have your second space on here. I did a whole video, so be sure to check that out. If I try to run through all this, it'll be like 20 minutes. I did a dedicated video, so just check it out on the channel of all the MIUI 11 features. But just know it's jam-packed with pretty much everything you would want. And last is the price. So I want to emphasize that one more time. I know I keep talking about the price, but look, if I go on Amazon right now, as you can see, $215 right now. The links will be down below. $215 for the standard black model, and as you can see, they have a bunch of different colors. As you can see, the ocean blue, the pearl white, which I have, which I paid significantly more for, but I did get the express, you know, shipping or whatever. And they have all these really cool color options on here, so you're just not going to find a phone that's going to be as powerful as this with, you know, the G90T processor, and also is going to get Android 10, because the LG is significantly cheaper and it's just as powerful, but this phone is not going to get the update to Android 10 officially, and this phone will. So I just really admire these budget smartphones that are packing a punch when it comes to specs and being able to pretty much do everything a mid-range or a flagship can do. So thanks for watching this video. I will catch you guys in the next one.